Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix Netflix not connecting to the internet. If Netflix is not connected to the internet on your phone, first check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working properly. If one is not working, you'll have to hop on to the another one, and vice versa. Next, turn off the airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. Now, restart your phone and open Netflix again. Temporary network glitches can cause connection issues. Now, if the problem continues, you're going to go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and to test both to see which works first. Also, make sure VPN apps are turned off. Finally, head over to your app store, search for Netflix, and then update the app if needed. Now reinstall the app. If nothing works, remove the app, then delete app. To reinstall the app, head over to your app store, search for Netflix, reinstall it from the app store only. Once done, open Netflix and connection issues should be fixed, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.